All right. When you are in Google Classroom, this is what the student sees. I had said that they can join class. They're going to get a class code. First, we have to show you where that class code is. When you are in your page, it's going to log in. It's going to pull this up every time. Your list of classes. You've got 10 classes. They'll all be right there. Yours is not just join class, but also create class. So this class I'm actually joined, this class I created. So I'm in charge of this one. I am part of this one. They look identical. They show up in the same place. The only place that they're different, over here in the 3 lines, you've got kind of a drop-down menu of the classes you're enrolled in and the classes you're teaching. Teaching Reading 1, enrolled in middle school staff. Okay, so back to this. You're going to create a class. We're just going to call it Reading 2. You can add a section. Let's say you have an advanced placement, an AP class, advanced class. You want to just label it because you've got 2 period 2 classes, if you have an alternating schedule, anything like that. So you create, and it is going to give you a window, something you can modify later. And I'll show that in another tutorial. But right now, we need to get our students into this classroom so that they can all be a part of this. I'm going to click on Students at the top. Once I click on Students, it's going to give me an invite code. The larger are the numbers, lowercase is letters. So I'm going to give that to them. I can put it up on the board, just simply write it up on the board, shoot it up on the overhead, something like that. So what the students are going to do is they're going to click on their plus sign, and instead of join and create, it just says join. They're then going to type in their code, and they're going to join. And it's that simple. They are now part of my classroom. So when they go to their front page, reading period 2, and when I look at my page, reading period 2, I've got one student. Who's my student? My test kid. Okay. All right. And that's how you get kids signed up to your actual class.